Okay, y'all, I didn't film me fixing this other home chef meal. Let me see. This is what this one is going to look like. It's steak with creamy corn risotto. That's what it's supposed to look like. So, there's the meat with the tomatoes, chopped up tomatoes. Here's the risotto is waiting for the corn. I never had this before. I guess it's mushy rice. That's what risotto is. I chopped up these little green onions. I put some of the onions in the meat. He said to hold some off for the corn and the rice. And Walter don't like onion, so he's gonna pick them out. And I'm definitely not gonna put this Parmesan cheese in here because we both hate it. Ugh, I know you want to open that package. So I'll be back when I'm plating up the dishes. Okay, here's the finished result. And there's the picture. Okay. I'm gonna taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Got the meat and the corn and the risotto. Steak is tender, seasoned with, well, I did add a little Worcestershire. That's the only extra stuff I added. I think Walter would be okay with them little green onions. And it's supposed to be enough for 2 people. It's enough. Another good home chef meal. And it looks just like the picture. Okay. Thumbs up. So I'm thinking I got another delivery coming tomorrow. I've already planned my meals. So my meals will come every Monday. 2 different dinners for 2 people every Monday till I get tired of them. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the Sunday. Okay.